Hi, for question number 1, the equation x cubed plus px plus q is equal to 0, where p and q are constants, with q is not equal to 0, has one root which is the reciprocal of another root. Prove that p plus q square is equal to 1. 5 marks. Now for a question like this, here's the information. The roots of this equation are alpha, beta and gamma. But gamma is the reciprocal of the other root. That's why I've put b inverse, beta inverse. And we need to show that p plus q square is equal to 1. Now for a cubic equation, it follows that the expansion is x cubed, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and the negative of that, x squared plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma times x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. Now from here, q is equal to alpha beta gamma. But before we do anything like that, so let's try and put the roots as they are. Gamma, we said it was the reciprocal of the other one, so plus beta gamma, which is beta inverse, x squared alpha beta is alpha gamma plus beta times beta inverse x minus alpha beta beta inverse is equal to 0. Okay, so this one turns out to be 1, and this one also is 1. So therefore it's clearly seen that q is equal to negative alpha. And where do we go from here? Now we know there's no term of x squared here, so the term x squared is equal to 0. So that means all of that here is going to be equal to 0. And what do we make of that? If this is equal to 0, then negative alpha is equal to beta plus beta inverse. Also, what about this one? Alpha beta, the coefficient of x I'm talking about is p. So what we're going to say is all of that, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus 1 is equal to p. And from here, we can factorize and factor out alpha, and we have beta plus gamma. So beta plus gamma into brackets plus 1 is equal to p. And what else can we do from here? So alpha into beta plus gamma, we know that gamma is basically gamma is b inverse, so plus b inverse plus the 1 is equal to p. In other words, we're saying alpha times beta plus beta inverse, here beta plus beta inverse is minus alpha, so times minus alpha plus 1 is equal to p. So this leads to p is equal to 1 minus alpha squared. And from here, maybe we can just add these up. We need to show that this thing here is true, for that's going to be equal to 1. So what is p? P is all of that. Therefore p plus q square is equal to 1 minus alpha square, okay, plus q square, and q is minus alpha, so plus minus alpha to the square, leading to 1 minus alpha square plus alpha square. And minus plus cancels out, I've got 1, therefore p plus q square is equal to 1, and that has been shown. This question carries 5 marks. Here we are. Take care.